So you're a smaller YouTuber and you want to know how do you make money on YouTube without any monetization. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy methods to make money on YouTube right now. And if you follow at least a couple of these steps, I guarantee that you'll start making money on YouTube without any AdSense. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first method, which is to start using other video platforms. So you've already done all of the hard work filming, editing and uploading a video to your YouTube channel, so why not take that existing content and upload it to another website, one where you can start earning money right away. You might not even realize that there are actually quite a lot of alternatives to YouTube online, and the first one I want to show you is Hideout TV, which, as you can see from the homepage, looks very similar to YouTube. The main difference being you can start uploading your videos to the platform and earn money from the beginning. Hideout gives both creators and viewers the chance to earn money from videos online. Viewers can start earning points just from watching videos on the platform, and they can then redeem those points to earn gift cards from a variety of different sources. And creators can earn cold hard cash just from the adverts that people watch on their videos. Uploading to Hideout is very simple. All you need to do is drag and drop your video into the uploader and fill in the title, description and tags. Every video does need to go through a review process, so just make sure your content doesn't breach any of their guidelines, but if it's all good, it should be approved within 24 hours. You might notice that your videos get a lot more views on Hideout than they will on YouTube, but saying that, the ad revenue is quite low. If we head into my Hideout account, you'll see that I've made a total of $220 on this platform, and that's after uploading on here for about a year. But if you already make videos for your YouTube channel, then it's a case of why not upload them here too? This is essentially free revenue that you can make without much extra effort. And I have noticed that shorter videos tend to do a lot better on this platform, so it's worth bearing that in mind. Another platform that I use to make money from my videos is Odysee. This platform was launched as a YouTube alternative with far less censorship, so even more risky and controversial videos can make money on here. And they actually pay their creators using their own cryptocurrency known as library credits. And the very best thing about Odysee is that you don't even need to re-upload your YouTube content onto their platform. They have a feature that allows you to link your YouTube channel to Odysee directly. So every time you upload a video to YouTube, it automatically gets uploaded onto Odysee as well. So that just makes things very easy. You can generate income every time somebody watches your videos on the platform. People can send you extra cash via tips, and you can even make money by watching other people's content as well. So it's well worth a look. Make sure you do all of your own research into cryptocurrency before you dive in, but just to give you some insights, I started uploading to this platform about a year and a half ago, and I've made around $700 in cryptocurrency just by uploading my YouTube videos. And it's fairly easy to turn your library credits into Bitcoin and then into US dollars or British pounds if you want to. The next method is to sell your videos as stock footage. Stock footage libraries are extremely useful for creators or filmmakers who need access to high quality video clips for their projects. Even very high level productions like Netflix shows need access to stock footage all the time. So if you film B-roll for your vlogs or you just like using your drone, this is a great way to earn money from video clips that you have already filmed. For my personal channel, I make travel vlogs, so I often film footage of locations that I only use once or sometimes not at all. So instead of just leaving it to gather dust on a hard drive, I upload it to Blackbox instead. Blackbox is a really great platform to use when you're getting started with stock footage, because they act like a sort of middleman to send your footage off to multiple other locations. As a beginner, it can be a little overwhelming to know where to start uploading your clips for stock, so Blackbox makes things a lot easier by doing all of that side for you. And I've sold footage for as little as $15 per clip, all the way up to $50 or $60. There is a very strict review process for every clip that you upload, so just make sure that they're all exposed correctly and they should be as smooth as possible with no camera shake. And any footage shot on a gimbal or a drone is particularly popular on stock footage sites. And it's always very exciting when you get that email in your inbox letting you know that you've made another sale. Now, I do have one more method to share with you in this video, but before we continue, leave this video a like if you're finding these tips useful, and if you want some more advice for how to grow your channel, make sure you subscribe as well. The final method is to sell your videos to another brand. Now, on paper, this is relatively similar to selling stock footage, but instead of selling individual clips, why not sell your entire finished videos? You've probably seen pages on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok where YouTube content gets re-edited and re-uploaded for another audience. A lot of bigger YouTubers tackle this process themselves, but for smaller YouTubers, it's not quite as easy. Not only do you have to re-edit your content for the different platform, but places like Facebook have their own restrictions for monetization. So instead, you could look to sell your videos to other pages or channels. There are lots of brands that feature viral content in all sorts of different genres, and they generate ad revenue from the millions of views they get on their uploads. But they will always need to source new content from creators like you, which they're often willing to pay for. So if you think your content has the potential to do well on a certain page, why not be proactive and reach out to them directly? Now, definitely don't just spam hundreds of pages with the same copy and paste messages. Be detailed, be professional, and tailor each message to the specific page. And who knows, you could end up forming some strong business relationships. But overall, this is not just a great way to make money from your videos without any extra work. It can also help increase the awareness of your brand or channel. So that is 3 easy ways to make money from your videos online. And if you've got any questions about the content in this video, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.